This is the Syma X400. It is a drone with HD 720p FPV. It has a Syma Fly app for the iOS and Android for advanced features of GPS, follow me, draw a path, and more. A caution of battery, an instruction guide, parts, instructions how to fly, in multi-languages. Each battery supplies 7.5 minutes of runtime. Charge the battery with the clip and charger by snapping in, plugging this end into a port charger. A spare 400 milliamp battery, 3.7 volts. A set of propellers, a full set of prop guards. Pull off the LED cover by pulling away, placing over the lens cover, placing back on the cap. A precision screwdriver. Supply 4 AA batteries. Changing the propeller is as easy as unscrewing the top, removing the propeller, matching up the correct number to the propeller, and placing back on. When ready for FPV, snap on the foam cradle. To remove is a button, push in, pull away. Each Syma model has specific controls and we'll go over them in detail. Getting acquainted to your drone with red lights, green lights, the on and off, the HD camera, the props A's and prop B's, prop guards, the landing gear, the motor, the bottom, the battery install area. With the battery connections facing up, simply push in, snap in, squeeze both sides to pull battery out. When starting the drone, turn on the transmitter, you hear a beep, turn the drone on 1 full second. It gives a blink as well as the transmitter. Up and down for pairing, down and diagonal towards the left for calibration. 3 methods of start. Tap up on the left, hold it down to shut off. Go in diagonally, down and in. Go down and in to shut off. To take off, press the button. The propellers will start and take off up to 4 feet and then able to control. Download the Syma Fly app, shut the transmitter off. It is not needed. The phone, turn on to the Syma app and open up your settings, Wi-Fi, locate the FPV fly. Notice the drone is blinking for pair. Open up the Syma app. In the Syma app, we have the X400. Hit the start. The drone is paired and we have the camera ready to go. We will only show the camera to the box so you can get an idea of the quality. The Syma app has the controls and your regular control. You have your still, your record video, the folders of the media, the takeoff and land with the on button, the trim left and right, the trim forward and back. We have 3 dashes we click on. We have speed 1 and 2 by the beeps. We have calibration by the center scale button as you watch the drone in the distance. We are calibrated every single crash. We have the next button down below, which is VR. Pressing on the switch, we have a drawer track so we could say our flight, the way it's going to go. Going up and down. We have headless mode and we have controls. If we back out and back out again, we open up again the drone X400. We could follow, track, and more. Make sure your GPS maps are on. In default beginner's mode, we have flight parameters that we could have a distance we can go, beginners, and so forth. We're switching over to the manual controllers and we're doing a auto takeoff. Reddish your front. Hold down the back button when ready to do a flip. Hold, back, and that is a flip. To do a front flip, hold the back right and go forward. The prop guards protect against any accidents. To trim, hold the left button and trim with the right and let go. Altitude hold. Counterclockwise, clockwise, forward, back, and so forth. Press in the right joystick for twice the speed. Press again for slow speed. On and off button, blinks, and auto lands. The drone has a low voltage cutoff. It'll blink and tell you it's time to land. A failsafe is built into the controller. When you shut the controller off and you cannot move, with about 5 seconds, it will drop down and land. The Syma drone, indoor, outdoor, with all the features and functions of larger drones. I hope this is a product that you are looking for, that you may enjoy, a beginner's drone for kids of all ages. I hope you enjoy the product if this is right for you.